Okay, 101.1 Smart FM, the spirit of Indonesia. Okay, of course, we always choose at the 7 p.m. Okay, we have many programs, especially in the English discussion and FM English. I'm sorry. In the English community. Okay, as you know, I'm not alone here. We have a special many guests here, as the from English communities in South Sulawesi, Indonesia, especially in Makassar. Okay, before we are going to our topic on this evening, I want to our guests to introduce themselves and tell about their English club and the agenda. Okay, let's start from.
I have Okay, thank you. How's for this
Yes,
evening?
oh my God.
Anyway, okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Radias Dizahril or Erdesam. You can call me Kak Dias or Kak Sam, whatever. And I'm from for this evening. I representative of BPEC. Actually, I have a lot of,
Oh God.
but for special for this evening, I am representative of BPEC itself. When we're talking about my English community, BPEC, it was established since 1986.
Oh my God, that's very
It
old.
means the oldest,
The oldest.
study club English community in
Okay.
East Indonesia. It means that 38 already
Already.
years old. Yes,
Okay.
and to join in BPEC, it's free of charge. You just come. You don't need to register. You just visit. You just sit down and study there. Start from 10 until 2 p.m.
Until 2 p.m.
every Sunday. Yeah, Sunday
Sunday,
morning, of
okay.
course. And the activity, it's like study about speaking, about grammar, debate, small discussion, and etc. So if you want to visit and ask anything about BPC itself and want to join, please just DM on Instagram BPEC Makassar 86.
Okay.
Okay, that's it. Thank you.
Okay, that's from BPAC. Now let's continue. It's from Rizky. Okay.
Okay, let me introduce myself. My name is Rizky. I'm from English Cayman Community,
Okay.
ACC. Yeah. And our schedule in there is doing meetings start from morning until night. And our study in there is grammar, pronouns, speaking, structure, and vocabulary. If you're interested, you can find us in Instagram, SCC Pucamaros.
Okay, just it.
Yeah,
Okay, thank you so much from SCC. Okay, now let's continue from Shiva.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity. Hello,
Okay.
everyone.
Hi.
Hi, I am
Yes.
Shiva Sakin Herman. Just
Oh.
go with Shiva,
Shiva.
and I'm here as a representative for Meta. So basically, Meta stands for Matcha English Talk Assembly,
Okay.
and Meta provide us someone who want to learn about English, so we can upgrade our vocabulary, grammar, and our favorite section is the debate section. So you can raise your voice and give an argument about some topic, and it will be different every week. So if you're already interested and want to find another information about Meta, you can visit our Instagram account. It's called Matcha Community. And feel free to come every week on Saturday.
Okay, thank you. Oh my God, I like your accent. Seriously.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, next,
busy, yeah.
Dewa.
Hello everyone, good evening.
Good
my
evening.
my name is Dewa,
Hi,
and you
Dewa.
can call me Dewa. And I'm here representative of Makassar English Club, and we actually had a discussion in this evening, and we talked about the power of intelligence, and it start from 4 p.m. until 5:30 p.m. we talk, and if you want to know about us, we can look at Instagram Makassar English Community. Okay, thank you. That's all.
Okay, thank you, Dewa. Okay, now let's mention our topic for this evening. So the topic in this evening, we're talking about external validation. Okay, so guys, do you know what the meaning of the external validation is? So the external validation is how to someone assume to someone perspective in their life. I mean, like house validasi, the thirsty validation. They need they need appreciated from someone like a negative thing or like the positive and the neutral. Okay, so you get the topic. Okay. Okay, now let's continue. Okay, you ready? Okay, ready?
Of course.
Okay, so let's start from Risky. So, what do you think about the? Come on, just look at me. Come on. Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
So, what do you think? What do you know about the external validation is?
I think external validation is the act of receiving recognition from one strength and emotion. It can be a sort of support and encouragement
Mm-hmm.
from loved ones and friends.
Love and friend.
Yeah.
So you in love right now. So I can see the power here.
I think.
Make it so hot here. God.
Yeah, I think you said.
I think just it.
Yeah.
Okay. So, how about Mr. Sam?
Yes, I myself. First of all, I would like to say this topic is very interesting. You know, because this is unfamiliar actually, unfamiliar topic in another places,
Yeah.
only here in Smart FM. So I think external validation, it's very interesting to discuss about this, and my opinion, my perspective about external validation. It means that someone or the college of people seek approval.
Approval.
Yeah,
Yes.
seek approval in another sources. Yeah, as I just mentioned, mentioned that something like positive, neutral, and negative. But I keep my statement for the next explanation. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Next from Dewa.
Okay, so the external validation, the acknowledgement of your strength or emotional from others. So we in this life we need validation for our life. Like when I was going here with my father, I talking of father, am I can do this? Am I can speak to others? So he said, okay, you can do that, Dewa, and yeah, that's make me so freaking emotional right now. So that's why I think everyone needs validation sometimes
Validation.
because it's
Like a
as I said,
support.
yeah, like a support for
Yeah.
us. Yes.
Okay. Next, Shiva.
Okay, thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you.
So to be honest, at first when I saw the message on WhatsApp, the topic for today will be external validation, right?
Yeah, right.
And I got an interest because a lot of people nowadays, there are like uploaded their achievement on social media like Instagram or TikTok, right?
Yeah.
And they seeking for external validation
Yeah.
to like motivation, support, or maybe like just like congratulations, you
Yeah.
just got that, your
Uh-huh.
achievement. Like even I also did that on my media social on
Uh-huh.
Instagram for branding.
For
Right.
brand Instagram
Yeah.
writing, right?
Yeah. And I thought it good though, but however, like many things in this life, external validation also got their bad way. Like if you addictive to this external validation, you will got a negative effect such
Yes.
as mental health or also your identity.
Identity.
Yeah. Well, as long as you can manage it, it's good though. That's it for me.
That's it. Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, Shiva.
Yeah, mate.
I love that way. Okay, let's the next question. Okay, the next question is, do you think external validation, yeah, it can change somebody to be good or to be evil for the sometimes. Okay? Let's start from Dewa.
Oh my god.
It's okay.
It's okay, Dewa. Come on, you can do it. I give you external validation.
I think it's depend on the person.
Okay.
And when people receive external validation, it can be a turns of good people like me as myself as a teenager. I actually seeking for validation from others to make myself be a good people to everyone. I actually ask my friend what do you think about me, what do you think about this, and what do you think about this. Actually it's really toxic sometimes because I'm often seeking for validation from everyone, and makes me it's hard to choose decision for myself. I always ask for to someone how to do that, how to do this, because I afraid to rejection. I'm afraid to what people will think about me. That's all.
Oh my god, I'm so touched here. MG. Okay, next, Siva.
What?
Yeah.
So I think, like what I said before, external validation has their like a bad or and positive way, right? And for me, I got the positive also when like 2 months ago, I joined some competition, and at first I think, oh, can I make it or not? Because it's a like a it's how to say sangat bergengsi because I joined this because I joined this in one of the favorite university in Indonesia, but at the end finally I got it because I asked my mom, what do you think about I joined this competition, can I make it or not? But she said you can do it, just ignore all of the negative way from the people, like when people say you can't do it because you just came from there's no a lot of people recognize my university, but because of my mom thought I can make it. So it's depend on you. When you can manage all of the people say for you, I mean the positive of the bad one, it's okay for the seeking for the external validation. But for the bad side, it can make people feel anxiety because of that. When people say that, oh, you're such a loser. You're such a loser. And it can make you feel like anxiety, or maybe, oh God, can I do it or not? But yeah, it's okay. If you can manage it, it's okay to seeking for external validation. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you so much. You like from Bahagwar aja. Like a Harry Potter. But I like your accent. Nice. Okay, next, Rizky. Come on.
Repeat your question.
My question.
Yeah.
Okay, so do you think the external validation is negative effect or positive effect in our life? Okay.
Okay, I think external validation.
Yeah.
There is impact positive and there is impact negative. Yeah, because okay, I have experience if I'm work in the ship because I'm a sailor.
Okay, flexing
I'm a sailor.
again.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm a sailor, right?
God.
No.
We have a treat.
Oh yes. Oh yes.
No.
Yes.
I'm just want to tell about my story.
Yeah,
Sailor.
he's so crazy
just-
rich.
No. I'm just want to tell about my story.
Okay.
Okay, my story in the ship because this is my first experience to work in the ship, and usually I don't know about what for working in the ship about what, and I'm always follow my chief officer
Okay.
because usually if my officer judge me and there is
Like
my
she
chef-
knows.
no.
She knows.
There is my because there is the they're like judge me because I don't know I don't was working in the ship
Yeah.
because this is my first experience, but don't know about it.
So you feel awkward.
Yeah. And usually I want to angry, but I cannot angry because later my officer, how to say, turunkan dari kapal. Yeah.
Oh,
Turunkan dari kapal, and I'm
Drop
so
out.
scared. Yeah, and I'm so scared too.
okay.
And my officer always give me motivation, because you first working in the ship, don't thinking about negative. You must thinking about positive. You must doing about your work. You must listening about your officer ask to you about what, and I think you can doing about it, and you
Okay.
must believe yourself.
My
Must believe yourself. And I think that's it. I think.
Okay, thank you. So, Mr. Sam.
What is the question?
Okay, the question is about external validation. Is that external validation have a negative or positive effect in our life?
Yeah, I got a question. I think I agree that both them are happened. Did happen, will happen. Yeah,
God, I'm scared.
of course. Because they will say that I always need support from my father. Because he is always support me to do that. For example, like this, right? And another like motivation for another people. Yeah, and of course, like that is a positive thing. But in other side is the negative things like your bully, hate
Yes.
speech, hate speech, and etc. And I think both them are happen running, but it's depend how can you make it deal, how can you receive, how can you organize the information, how can you be positive. Even the research or sources of information is negative, but you can calm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
That's okay. It's not problem. Yeah. So sometimes we need to be evil.
Yes.
Sometimes we need to be angel.
angel.
Yeah. Something like that. Okay. It's
Talk
depend on the
like an
situation.
angel.
It sounds like a song. Okay, that's my
Okay,
opinion.
Thank you.
Mhm.
Okay, the next question. Are you ready for the next?
Of course.
Of course. Okay.
I like British.
Yeah, I like too. My God. Okay. The next question is why? Why? Yeah. Why? Why the citizen or the person in this era is why they like to receive the external validation so much, and they don't think the damage and effect to them. Just only receive, but they don't know what happened in the side effect, like anxiety or something. Okay. Okay, let's start from Mr. Sam. Are you
Okay. Why they like receive? Yeah. But they don't know actually the effect. Yeah.
Yes.
If the effect is it's over, of course, like it's addict. You will be like addictive. So it means that when you receive over and over, of course, it can be arouse negative sides, negative things. So why they need? Because the era, it's totally different, absolutely different.
Absolutely.
Nowadays, for example, like OKB or
Orang
Kaya
Kaya
Baru,
Baru.
yes,
Yes.
they
Yeah,
need
like
they
it,
need
yeah.
they need validation because in their past time they didn't got that
Yes.
appreciation, pujian, thanks, yeah, and something like that. That's why when they to be OKB, oh my god, they like what is, how do we call in Bahasa, they balas them dan something like that, and
Revenge.
show by full, yeah, by fully to the another people that see
Yeah.
now
What
I am the rich one, you are
You are
hmm,
Get away.
something like
Yeah,
that. That's why they need
before.
validation.
Yes.
For example, also the people who always got the bully in the past time when they was child, of
Yes,
course
of
they
course.
they very need declarate validation. They need pujian and something like that because in their childhood they
Mhm.
didn't got
Mhm.
like that. That's why if you see
Yeah.
the people always need validation like pujian.
So like clear the name, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, that's the sign of when the childhood they don't have something like that. So the condition is opposite,
Opposite.
something like that. So why they need? Because the condition in their pastime is opposite with now,
Mm.
something like that.
Something like that. Oh my
Yes.
God, it's so very super like a Mario said. Okay.
Mario who?
Mario
Take
to
two.
go. Okay, next.
Okay.
Risky.
Rizky Miller or Rizky Vivian?
Oh. That's an artist.
Rizky Nazar.
Okay, risky.
Repeat again. Repeat again.
Okay. The question is that external validation?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mm.
Why external validation is so very neat on this era, and why they always receive,
What the meaning receive?
and then they don't know about the side effect.
Mm. Oh, gitu, betul.
Yes.
What the meaning receive?
Menerima.
Yeah, the verse same with Kak.
Mr. Sam.
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh God. I'm out. I'm out.
How could it be?
How good it be?
Yeah, I think this era so far I need to external validation because in my life, yeah. Why is it my
flexing again?
No, no, no.
Well,
Yes.
I did that.
I'm just
too.
telling about my life, yeah. Because in my life, you know, so many, I think so many people like
Like what?
pamer,
Flexing.
yeah,
Flexing.
flexing about the her car, new car,
Okay.
watch,
Like a branded watch.
new watch.
Okay.
Risky, risky. You can see that. Yeah, I know you knew.
lend me?
Ya, because I think in bahasa kamu nggak selevel sama aku.
Oh, you're not level on me.
Yeah.
Anjay.
Not me say, right? Not me
Okay.
say. This is my friend because my friend is very arrogant. Is my friend is my friend after by God,
Mhm.
after by God. Yeah, my friend always post in Instagram, in status WhatsApp about the him God.
What is that? Is that a god?
What
What the god? What the god? Good.
Good,
Yeah, not good.
I'm sorry.
I think it was kambing.
Good, good, good. I'm sorry. Good,
It's
good.
okay. Okay,
good.
continue.
I'm forget.
It's okay. No problem.
Yeah, my
It's okay.
my friend always post in Instagram about the new gods after if my friend after buy gods. Yeah?
It's a good.
Good,
Yeah,
good. I forget like.
Easy, bro. Easy,
Yeah,
easy.
Oh,
Mulai dari mana?
Yeah, your
Oh, yeah.
friends flexing about
Yeah,
that. Yeah.
my friend flexing about the
Lend me.
him good, and I don't want to comment because if I'm so annoying, see about the him story, I think I can unfollow you.
Oh God, it's a very extreme.
I think I want to punch your face.
oh, that's
Oh,
rude.
don't play with me, bosku. Okay, thank you. Now, I don't know who. Okay, it's Dewa.
That's all. Okay, so like Mr. Sam said, and have you ever read about? I have ever heard at least read about studies suggest that emotional validation from parents, especially in childhood, builds emotional awareness. That's why I agree with Mr. Sam's opinion because when we are in childhood, our parents is not often to praise praise us like, oh God, you did well, you doing so well. But they always ask you, how about your school? Oh, your grade is only 19. Oh my God, you should study hard. But we actually need support, not a judgment from our parents. And one of my friend, she's so very annoying. We can say pick me, pick me. Have you ever heard pick me?
Yeah.
Pick me. And she always posts about everything in this her life, like when she wants to order GoFood, GoFood. She always posted, oh my God, I ordered GoFood from Gachoan. I think it's really useless to know that. I mean, what's your purpose to post that? I mean, we don't need to see that. And when this time he got fight with one of my friends too, and she posts everything about their argument on Instagram, and I feel so sick about that. Like,
Oh God.
like we don't. Do you think I'm care about that? I'm not care about you. and when she what to say, when she went to Bali, she always post everything, even like sandals too. I got new sandals from Bali. And
Like a no.
yeah, like a noob, but she actually not a noob, but he just want to get validation from guys, guys, from other guys. Yeah.
It's the woman problem.
Yeah, that's very annoying because you actually just shoot them. You don't have to ask, well, how to do this, how to do that, because you need a validation from guys. Maybe it's very important when our parents give us prize, because we cannot be like them.
Okay.
Okay, that's all.
Okay, thank you. Shiva.
Wait. Okay.
Yes. Yeah, come on, Hagwa.
Okay, thank you. About the question that you gave us before, it's about like external validation. Why they need external validation, right? Like what Mr. I forgot his that he said before, like Okabe, right? Have you ever seen this video on TikTok before? There is a woman who flexing like I've never eat this, like tirang.
Yeah.
You know tirang?
And the tumpa splitting in the
Yeah, and
God.
also and also the way the way she speak tirang. She said that with a British accent, like a tirang. I got tirang. I got tirang.
Vocal fry.
Yeah.
Fry.
Yeah, they said that like that before, like that on that videos, and there's a lot of hate comment on their videos. They said that, oh, Okabe. Like sometimes like rich people not even to eat like how to say jajanan pinggir jalan, like tirang, right? And that's why she got a lot of hate because of that. No one did right in this world. I mean, in Indonesia, of course.
But they were the
Oi!
I don't know about the video.
Really?
he
It's a very
he
fine
said
one.
about the video. It's not
Okay.
about tirang.
You make me hungry, seriously.
After that, you can
Oh,
eat that.
okay. Oh yeah, Rizky will treat us. Yes.
Well, also in the education side, I got this friends or colleague on Instagram. She always uploaded her achievement, like, oh, I came to Singapore, or also achieved that I became the first winner of this champions. You guys can do it, right? Well, I think it's more like a flexing, but I know maybe she can't has that when she is in her child era, right? So that's why she often uploaded their achievement, but it's okay though. I think she tried to upgrade her branding life on
Yes,
Instagram.
on Instagram.
I think that's it.
Okay, thank you.
Good, man.
Need applause. Okay, the next question. It's a little bit deep. It's okay? Okay. Okay, the next question. So, as what I said in the second question, why the external validation, why the external validation have a negative, positive, and the neutral? So, I want to be the negative. Why external validation in the parents, some parents, in the parents, they do push their children.
push?
No, I mean, try to push their children to like, you must study hard like this, like always study, but not like give them space to play games or something. Just study, and always they always giving receiver like, you can do it. But if the child get a minus, you know what happened.
Yeah, they will judge you.
Yes. So, let's start from Risky. Why? Why, Risky? Why?
I'm so scared for my father.
Oh, really? Daddy?
And here, the son.
Yes, sir. You can see.
My father watching me.
Yeah.
Your phone.
Oh God,
No,
no.
I'm so scared.
It's okay.
Okay. Usually.
Say hi to your father first.
Hi, my father.
Okay.
And okay. Usually, my father always asks to me, you must focus in your study, because if you don't study, I think if you want to sail in overseas, because
Yes.
if you want to sail in overseas, you must know about navigation, about flag.
You got seasick?
What is
Seasick.
sick?
What do you seasick?
What is that?
Oh,
yes.
she's sick.
Nah,
do.
I do.
I know. Because if
seasick like this.
because if you want to on board in the big ship,
Okay.
you must smart, not smart. You must know about flag, navigation, because
the guides.
because I want to because if you want to become to officer
Okay.
in the big ship, you must know about it,
Yeah, what the
and you must study because if you on board and your officer don't say to you stupid, right?
Okay. But your
So-
father always say like that to you.
No.
No?
No,
Mm-mm.
my father's so kind.
Okay. I think the first you say you scared your father.
My father's
which
so
the truth?
kind. No. Okay, so I think my father always asked to me for study. Study.
Study.
Yeah. Don't always to play games.
But I think in camp you always playing games.
Yes, but I don't say to my father.
Okay.
I'm playing game start from morning until night, and I'm not studying. And I think I still don't care.
Okay.
Okay.
That's
I'm
it.
sorry, father.
Okay, next, Mr. Sam.
Yeah, the question is why.
Yes,
Yeah,
why?
As your question that always push. Yes,
Oh,
something
yeah.
like that. Don't sing it. Yeah, because I think this system comes from the parents or the authoritative one.
Authority.
So it's depend on the characteristic of the parents. Yeah, and some parents they come from authoritative. Some parents they come from wise couples. Yeah, parents. And a help. I mean, like the father. Sometimes wise, the mother sometimes authoritative, and switch,
Yeah,
and something
switch.
opposite, something like that. And sometimes is not both, not all at all, tidak keduanya.
Yeah.
Sometimes, but it's like a just go with the flow, just easygoing, you know. But when we're talking about the people who, the student, the child who come from always push automatically, one of their parents are come from authoritarian style, maybe like heredity,
Yeah,
like
heredity.
DNA, yeah,
DNA.
something generous, something like that. But the most important is how we can make it balance as a child, as a son, as a daughter, something like that, and we just combine with discipline, wise, yeah, and playful, something like that. And when we mix all of them, the result is a balancing. Trust me, something like that. But when you just follow the rule, all of them automatically, yeah, you will be someday authoritarian parents also. But when you just receive, absorb, and mix it with another style like wise, play, and ambition, of course, you will make it like a complete or balance. And this is a very important because that style not only stop in us but in our generation also. That's why, like, masa orientasi siswa, that is turun temurun, like kekerasan, yeah. That is a turun temurun. That's why we cannot blame 100% the how to say, the subject, the agent, but that is tradition. That's why we can make it stop it. Maybe like only we just take like 20%, maybe, and we can make it stop rantai, right? You know what I mean? Yes, and we make it balanced. We mix with the another, so that's why all of them will be balanced, something like that. So take it easy.
Oh my God, Beyonce. Okay,
You are
that's
like a
it.
Beyonce. Why?
Okay, next.
Very fan with Beyonce.
I don't know because
Sinners.
yeah, gorgeous.
Sinners.
Okay, Dewa. Okay, why the family, especially in the external validation, always push their child to be like study hard and something, but they don't leave a space, a free space, the child to express their feeling.
Oh, okay. I think it's Asian parents' behavior. You know, have you ever heard Asian parents' behavior? One of my friends live. Huh?
1.1 FM.
Oh, sorry. One of my friends lives in Taiwan, and yeah, he lives in strict family, and he always do you should study hard because you want to be a doctor. Please study hard. And sometimes he fans to me, and oh my God, Dewa, I'm so fucking tired right now. But my father is always always asks me to study, and that's why it's really toxic. And like Mr. Sam said, we should stop the circle from ourselves to not build like some with family like that. Like my mother live in like Tiger family too, like him, and she always pushed me to study hard. But in these days, but I think she just realized, oh, it's not good for my kid. So she changed the parenting style and makes me become more happier than before. Because when I was elementary school, I'm sorry for my bunda.
Oh God.
I didn't mean to talking shit about you, but I just want to share my experience. But
Yes.
when I was elementary school, she always asked me to study hard. I think it's really good, but sometimes I need validation when my grade is going down, is falling down. Like, it's okay to not being a second one. You don't have to be a number one. You don't have to be always number one. But she always get angry to me because my grades going down, and she going to scold me, and she throw my PlayStation. And that's why I kinda I feel so freaking scared for her, kinda yes. I feel I got mommy issues sometimes.
If you're happy and clap your hand.
Well, I'm now she's getting better.
Yeah.
Yeah, Jakarta.
Okay, thank you Dewa. Next, Shiva.
So that's
Okay,
not
I
me.
call you Adele. Okay, Miss Adele. Okay.
So, why your parents always often push you to achieve got some achievement, right? So you know, when I was in elementary school, but since when I was in yeah, kindergarten. Yeah, my parents, both of them, they always
Make you happy anytime.
they always told me to you have to study hard because you want to become a doctor in the future, but they often to give me a space to play with my friends, enjoy my life, right? But and you know, fun fact, I got my mom allowed me to play handphone when I was turned in first grade at junior high school. She doesn't allow me to use handphone because it will be make effect on my study. That's why. And you know, Asian parents do like a tiger parenting, right? That's why a lot of people know kids know they afraid for like both of them parents, right? And but because your parents always push you, they just want to see you become a better in the future, like you can achieve something like easy because you already experienced that before. And but nowadays my mom and my father doesn't do the tiger parenting again because I've told them like I want to play sometimes. I don't want to study over again and again. And they listen to me as long as I give them like achievement.
Oh, okay. It's like a game, Sam.
It is. I think that's it.
Okay, thank you. Okay, the next question. Is that you? The next question. Okay? Okay, the next question is which side you are? Which side you are? Are you an external validation?
I'm not. Oh, okay. Okay, so actually, I'm internal validation person right now. Have you ever heard about fuck it we ball? I always told myself, fuck it we ball. We can do this. We can do this. We can do this, and that's make me stop to seeking for validation from others. And in my oh my god. In my childhood era, I always seeking for validation from others, even my parents, even my teacher, even my friends too. But it's makes me feel it's kind of toxic because I always depend on someone, and I'm not trusting myself enough, and that's why I changed myself to be better person and make myself like you can do this, you can do this. I always think in my mind, you can do this, and don't afraid to be rejected. Don't afraid to be hated with someone. It's okay to be yourself sometimes. We don't have to think about people is bullshit. No, we don't have to think about. We don't have to think about what about people is opinion sometimes. That's
Okay.
all.
Okay, thank you. Shiva, Adele.
Oh,
I will call you Adele. I will call you Adele.
that's not my name.
It's okay. Just external validation too for you. Okay.
So I am into external validation because on my Instagram account I often uploaded my achievement for branding, of course, and but I'm trying to balance which is the internal one and external one, because you don't have to often listen to what the people say, like, oh, I don't give a fuck. Well,
my
that's
God,
rude, bro.
that
That's
sounds
rude. That sounds rude. And I have to be yourself. Like, you have to say yourself, like, it's okay sometimes to be a loser. It's not it's not
God.
always your time, but it's okay to be a loser. And you've got as long as you got your family support from your family, it's okay.
Okay. That's it. Thank
That's
you.
it.
Risky.
Risky Biller. I think external validation.
Yes.
Because first, I think external validation so important in my life. So important in my life because
Bagusnya jaketmu.
yeah,
Bisa dipinjam.
you can
Extra
borrow
validation.
you can borrow my jacket. Because later I want to flex you my jacket.
Yes.
No, I'm just kidding. I think external validation so important in my life because I think external validation
Me
posi-
banget.
positive and me banget lah.
Okay.
Me banget lah.
Okay, that's it.
Yeah, because I like give love to
Spread
all
love
Energy.
people.
to the manicures.
I like
Are you
Make-
crocodile?
no,
Oh.
I'm not playboy because
Sorry.
I'm not playboy because I'm just
Just buy.
have one girlfriend.
Really?
Yes.
Listen it.
You can see it in my phone.
Okay.
Yeah, then I'm,
Thank you.
I'm using. Yeah, because I forgot about it. Oh my god.
You know?
Yeah, I think enough.
Yeah.
I forgot.
Okay. Last, Mr. Sam.
Yeah, which one? Okay, for my private life, I am internal validation, but as a public speaker, because I am a public speaker,
Yes.
I need external validation to get the market.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Okay, that is very short. Thank you, guys.
Okay, thank you. Okay, now we are on the final session, so please prepare your conclusion, your vocabularies, or your wise word. Dewa, you have?
I'm sorry, I forgot. Okay. So actually, it's okay to need external validation sometimes because we need to talk about achievements sometimes. Like, look, I passed the Mandarin. Look, I passed the maths. But if it's getting over, it's really good for you because it's hard to make a decision for yourself, and it's not worthy because it's mean you're not trusting yourself. You should trust yourself enough first, and it's okay to be yourself. Sometimes you don't have to think about people's opinion, like I said before, and it's okay to be rejected. It's okay to be a failure sometimes. It's okay to be a loser because it's a part of growing up, right? Okay, that's all.
Nice, thank you. Okay, Adele.
That's not my name, bro.
Shiva.
For external validation, it's okay to seeking external validation as long as you can balance that with an internal validation. Leave the bad one, take the good one. It's okay to be yourself. Thank you. That's
Thank
it.
you. Oh my god. Okay, Rizky.
Thank you.
Don't become to OKB.
Wow, it's scary.
Because I think so alay.
Okay.
I want to be okay.
Amen. Okay, Mr. Sam.
Yeah, for me, one sentence, make it balance between internal and extra validation because it's very important to keep us to make our bright future.
Oh
Okay,
my God,
thank
that's super.
you.
Give applause to us. Okay, guys, this is all our conversation and discuss for this evening. Okay, I appreciate it and say thank you for Mr. Sam, Rizky, and Shiva, and Dewa. Okay. Okay, guys, don't forget to watch and always listen in the FM, Smart FM, and always watching and don't forget be live smart, be Smart FM 101.1 Makassar. Okay, see you next time and have a nice day.
Bye-bye.
Bye.